Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Part 2, Unit 1. Okay, here we go. 大家好，我是孟老师。今天呢，我们将学习第一单元的第二部分。第二部分呢是有几篇课文。Here are texts and OK, 课文1 Test 1 Characters Chinese characters. The first one 你 pronounced like the third tones 你 means you. Of course it's singular, and we also have the polite singular you like this 您 but these are different, and 你 means you singular, 您 means polite singular. And the second one here 好 means good, fine, nice. I want to suggest you that you need to remember this one, because when people ask you in Chinese 好吃吗或者说好看吗you could say 好吃好看. It's a nice word, right? And let's read this together. 你好 means hello. Okay, next. Here. 马丁 is Martin, name of an American student. And the second name 林娜 name of a French student. Sometimes we just translate in Chinese like the English pronunciation, so that's not difficult for you, I think. 马丁林娜 Okay, the test. Martin says 你好 and林娜 says 你好. It's very simple, right? Like say hello to your friend or your classmate every day. And test 2. Here this character you know, but the writing you see. Wait for a moment. Here, 你和您 different. Here is a 心 and button. Okay. The next names again. I just pronounce in Chinese and don't translate it, okay? 李一民 阿明 Okay, simple one. Here the test. 李一民 says 你好 and Amin says response like 您好, because Li Yimin is a Chinese teacher, so you need to answer the teacher in polite way. Use the polite singular you. Okay, test 3. The vocabulary, the first one. Okay, I want to tell you the test 3 just like numbers, but the numbers really different from English. And here the left ones, like the writing, you need to write like this. But sometimes we just write in the national numbers, like 1, 2, 3, And the first one, 0, 零 零 零 1 一 一 一 2 二 二 二 3 oh sorry the fourth in English 5 and 五五五 means 5 and 8 八八八 and here numbers here are some posters like how to use your finger to show from 1 to 10. Of course, you can show 11 or 12. Just use two hands. So you can practice like this. And next, we will learn comprehensive notes. 您 is more polite. Sorry, I say it again. 您 is a more polite form of you, of 你, and it's usually used for series or people of an elder generation or a higher rank. It can also use for people the same age in order to sound more formal and polite. So when you first time maybe a stranger, but you are the same age, you can say 您好. Just it's a more formal and polite way. Okay, next, supplementary vocabulary. 你们 here is not singular. This vocabulary and a phrase like you and other people or other persons. So more than maybe 2 or more than 2. 你们 this without here, this without tone. And you can say like this, 你们 And here the next one, teacher. We say teacher in Chinese, 老师 So you can say 老师好 When we having class, the class begins, we also say 老师好 and need to stand up to show your polite and to show your respectful to show your respect to the teacher. Okay, next activity. You can practice after this class. Just work in pairs to practice spelling and the syllables with initials and finals. One student provides an initial and a final, then others spells out and complete syllable and read it aloud. Yes, I suggest you to read it aloud and speak out aloud. Then you can know where is your mistake. Maybe the initials and finals or tones you don't know, right? Like this, I will give you an example. The first one, b, o, ball, 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 ball. Here, in this box are initials, and here, in this box are finals. You can provide any initial and final, and you can complete them together. Then you will know what is pronunciation. Okay, next, comprehensive exercise. How do you greet them? And first, 你好 你好 When you meet a classmate, you can say 你好. And when you meet your teacher in the right picture, in the right map, you can say 老师好,老师好. And teacher will say 你们好, right? Here, B, 你们好, right? Because 你 means you, singular, but 你们is not singular. Two or more than two people, right? Try to remember 你, 您, 你们, 你们. Okay, the next two pictures you need to practice after class. And part 3, writing Chinese characters. In this part, I think it's a long journey. Yeah, for me, also the long journey. Because in China, when the little kid learn how to write Chinese characters, they need maybe more than 2 years to write the basic one. But not strokes, but the simple characters. Like here, yeah, like this. These are perfect, but you need more time to write like this. Okay, let's learn the basic strokes. The left one. The first name, 横, 横, and examples, 一, 二. Examples in the right side, 一, 二. And the second one, 树, 树, 树. Examples, 十, 十, 10, 十. We didn't learn this number right, so try to remember 10. And the third one, 撇, 撇, like this. It's not shoe, but like a small tail in the left, right? 人, person, here. Try to remember this 人, person. It's the basic character because it's very simple, like 一, 二, 十, 人. And the last one, 那, 那, 那. Example, 八, 八. We learned 八. Okay, here I think you don't like to learn this one. Stroke order. Rules. Yes, we have so many rules. When you write characters, you need 横 precedes 树. So 横first, and then you need to write 树. Like example, here 10, 十, 十. Here is the orders. The first one you need to write 横 and then 树. And the second rule, 撇 precedes 那. And examples, 人 and 八. So some people think the 人 and 八 it's almost the same, right? But totally different. And the stroke order, first you need to write 撇 and then 那. And this one, 八, the same. Okay, now write following Chinese characters in the workbook. We have special workbook like this picture. And you need to write something in the squares. This one, 一 and 一. Can you see it's clear? It's not that straight, but from here and then stop like this. but it's not totally straight. And 2, 二 and 10, 10和8. If you have the workbook or if you can paint the squares like this or draw the square like this, you can practice the basic Chinese characters. A good handwriting means you can learn Chinese very well, I think. Okay, classroom expressions. The first one, when class begins, we say 上课, 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 all four tones, okay? All four tones, 上课. When class is over, we say 下课, 下课, 下课. Could you remember how to say hello teacher, teacher, how to say when the teacher comes into classroom? We should say 老师好, 老师好. And teacher could say 你们好, right? 你们好. Okay, Unit 1 is over, and I'm looking forward to learn Unit 2 with you next time.